And therefore, my dear friends, when we have this larger picture before us, we know what we are doing. We are convinced of what we are doing, and that gives us the motivation. But there is a catch. We need to be prudent. We need to know what to do, how to do, and when to do. And that is where the discernment of Spirit comes. That is where the role of the Holy Spirit comes, who guides us, who shows us the way. And that is what Jesus has been, in a way, trying to tell us during the course of this week, as he prepares his disciples to receive the Holy Spirit. Today, Jesus tells the disciples that the whole world may be in joy, they may be celebrating, but you may be suffering because of what you are doing now. But have hope, have trust, and your sorrow will turn into joy. All of us can relate to experiences where we would have felt that everything is lost. And if we ask ourselves what kept us going during those moments, we will realize that it was hope. Hope that something good will happen. Hope that the situation will change. My dear friends, Jesus is that hope that gives life.